Hello everyone, it's me, Charlee Kate. Today on Unicorn Jelly Bean, I'm going to be doing my squishy collection. So as you know in Mary Addison's video, she said I would be doing a squishy collection. So, here we go. First squishy. This one. This is a panda barn. I did this with just markers and nail polish. As you can see, the face was already painted, but I colored it in with marker. It looks horrible now. And, but it looks okay. No. And then my little watermelon, and then I painted this watermelon on the back. Oh my gosh. We have a really small squishy. I made it. It's the button. It's the button that says OPEN with 3 dots, which looks like a stern face. So, if you can see up close, OPEN. It's beautiful. Look. With those 3 stern face dots. I don't want to push it. Yeah. You see, y'all froze. That's why we don't push this thing. Hate that thing. Next. This pancake squishy. And my first squishy, second squishy, I painted with real paint. This is my paw print that I stuck on here and painted it. There's sprinkles and then there's drizzle, which needs to be repainted. And then before, I tried doing these purple, but that worked out great. You see how good it worked out? You can so see the purple. So, yeah, don't need that. Almost landed in my fish tank. This is the squishy I was doing. I messed up. As you can see, there's orange all over. It has it got very bad sunburned. Very badly. Even the eye and everything on this got sunburned. Almost. And I messed up on this poor thing. But now, it's my mess up squishy. So I tried painting creepy eyes with the Sharpie. Worked out beautifully. And, yeah, this is probably my most unique piece in these things. The back looks amazing, but when you do this, hey, it's not yours. Back to this. Here's the squishy I have not touched yet. Painted, it has rainbow cake layers and these fun chips on the top. Don't know what those are. Okay, so my friend painted this. I wanted to cut it open to see if it was hollow, and apparently it was. I don't know where the other piece went. But it is a beautiful squishy, and she painted it. So give a shout out to Mary Carter. And I added that little unique thing because she made it. And over here, me and my other friend made it. Mary Addison, as y'all know her, hopefully. And we made this heart. We changed this heart. The bottom still needs something. It looks naked on the bottom. But this is me, Mary Addison's logo right here on this little piece. And then we painted all this, BFF. The F, I know, looks tiny. And this, that just needs work on that. Oh. Okay. Okay, I got 3 stern squishies. I have a weight, which is really heavy. Yeah, it's a weight. I have a soccer ball. I'm going to kick it. Didn't quite make it, but it's okay. And then I have a hearts, which will come out of me. I pulled this out of me. I should be dead by now, but not. You know, just cool. Next comes in the something unicorn. As you can see, the horn got misplaced by a very crooked stage. The ears are coming off. Everything's coming off on this. Like, literally, look. It's creepy. The horn. But it's a very slow rising squishy. It never pops up. But you're taking forever. Let's go. Yeah, we're done with that. Okay. Next squishy. apparently there's a football over there. I'll be right back. There, it's creepy. Okay, here's another one of my stern squishies. It's a football. See how good I'm throwing it? Ooh. Landed on the bed. Huh, perfect. Okay, next I have an ice cream cone. Rainbow. Haha. It's my favorite. It has an L bubble. Air bubble. So rude. You're mean. And, it's rainbow. And it's cool. Beautiful squishy. Next. This. It's called a marshmallow. That's tangled up. And that's the size of my head. I'm wearing cool glasses. Okay, and it is 3 colors. Very cracked. Need to fix that. But I never will because you are just adorable the way you are. Something happened to you. He got fractured. I had to do a squishy cutout on him. I'm just kidding. I don't know what happened to him. Also, Mary Addison painted this just by herself. It was there. And then we took this off of that heart squishy. We took this off. She painted it and everything. And she painted everything else on it. Yeah, super cute. I love it. Moustache. Next one I have donut that needs sprinkles. I hate this donut. It doesn't have sprinkles. And well, as you see, it has rainbow. Ow! It has painted on sprinkles. Look how sad. So overwhelmed with you. The sprinkles, like, who has sprinkles like this? Ooh, and the back is, Okay, what squishy am I using? Oh, I got so many more. Life. Yeah, it's a mermaid. I'm a little mermaid. Okay, and it has seaweed in its hair. Who wants seaweed in their hair? Like, who? Like, I would want braids. See how beautiful. Okay, and a heart stuck to its head. Can't get it off. And okay, it has this normal outfit on. See, it's normal. You know, nothing really interesting on this. Just cute little normal outfit. Pink. My puppy loves a good football. And apparently my puppy loves a football. Oh. Girl, you gotta play football if you really love it. Milk. My favorite thing. I love milk. It's like so cool. What are you looking at? This milk is very stubborn, as you can see. I can squish it all day. But it also has a moustache. No face. I need to paint a face on that. Just kidding. It's cute the way it is. I never said you were supposed to be in this. This is a very thingamajiggy milk. Because you know what happens? When you drink this, it still pauses you. It pauses you. And it goes all weirdly. So watch how it goes. You see, it's torture. I don't like it. It's a torture milk. Never drink it. Or squish it. Or anything. Next. You didn't see anything. An apple. Okay, we'll go with that. It's an apple, and it is super cool. Got it at Dollar Tree. Okay, we're back. And if you put this super cool kiwi thingamajig, it's rotten. Something got taken out of it. Put it together, it makes a ball. You squeeze it. It's cool. It's not slow rising, but it looks really realistic. Almost ate it once. No, seriously, I didn't eat it. Don't be so ridiculous, people. Next, the sprinkle donut. Too many sprinkles on this donut. But I love it, because, ew. The torture. Like, here's my donut. Oh, gosh. Dude. I wanted to eat you perfectly fine. You look amazing. You need to get fixed. He's so overwhelmed. I never asked you to be in this. She's so weird. Okay, don't worry about her. She's out of this. Mr. Bobblehead. This is Mr. Bubbles. You see, he's bubbly. And, he's all yellow with black. He's super cute. He swims. You see, he swims away. He's very evil. And next we have this a beautiful cinnamon roll. It's it had some days. It had some bad days. Yeah, let's just give you in harmony. Okay, we're back. You don't need harmony. You have already died. Okay. Super cute owl. Yeah, no more owl time. Okay, owl. It's time for extreme measures. Gosh, his poor feet. It took it off. Okay, we're gonna pray for you too. Okay? Here we go. Okay. Your prayer is over. Last person of the pack. A waffle. A beautiful, delightful waffle. Alright. It's waffle. Sprinkles. Purple topping. A pink waffle. You know, I love pink waffles. But, like, I haven't actually had one, so. But I still love them. They're so good, but I haven't had one, you know. It's so weird how, like, it just tastes so good, even though I haven't had one. But it's still really good. I love the waffles, even though I haven't had them. Ow! Give me a cramp. It's so heavy. I need my wrist is certificated. I don't know what that means, but okay. Okay. Thank you. For watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on your posts and notifications to get notified to any of our new videos. Bye, guys. Unicorn Jelly Bean out. Hey, what are you doing? Charlee Kate.